A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hi everyone. It's the 31st of July today, and it's a Friday, and it's Eidul Adha. So Eid Mubarak to everyone who's watching. So my mom's cooked a wonderful chicken lamb karai inside, and my brother and I have decided to come outside and do a barbecue. And here I'm basically grilling some of the meat on the rocket stove I have shown you previously on this channel, and it's doing a wonderful job with especially cooking the meat thoroughly and giving a nice grill taste. And the weather is amazing, and we're really enjoying ourselves outside. The sky is clear, nice and blue, and here's my brother doing his separate barbecue. He's got pieces of lamb and chicken niblets, nicely well marinated, and he's just going to barbecue his and not grill it on the rocket stove like I was doing. And he's really enjoying himself out here as well. And you can see the greenery and the nice open space, and yeah. So here I am again, grilling away, and here I'm feeding some wood to the rocket stove to keep the fire going well. And it's the fire is really roaring and doing a wonderful job at cooking the meat. And as you can see, I've got a piece of lamb inside the stove to cook it nice and well, and making sure it's cooked from the inside. And look how nicely well it's cooked. As you can see, I've put lots of meat on the grill, and it's all cooking really well. And here I am putting another piece inside so it cooks well. And once it's cooked up, I'm putting it to the side. That's the good thing about the rocket stove. It has different points where the grill is not as hot as the other point, so you can cook at different rates. And I'm really enjoying myself out here. I nearly dropped a piece of meat there. Luckily there I didn't. And now putting on some more raw meat to cook, and some chicken niblets which my mom has marinated for me. And I'm just putting the remainder of the marinade on top of the chicken, so to give it a nice flavour. And it shouldn't be too long until this is cooked. So unlike with the barbecue, cooking on the rocket stove is much faster. Yeah. And here's the outside of our garden. It's nice and bright today. And here are the clear blue skies. This is our gym setup. It's a gym rack which my brother and I bought, and a pull-up bar. And here's a shed where we keep our equipment inside. And on this roof my mum usually throws some leftover food for the birds to eat, and the various birds come and eat the leftovers, and it's usually seagulls we get around here. And I've just tried some of the food, and it's well cooked. I'm just trying it before I give it inside. And oh, the seagulls have come again, and looks like they want some of our barbecue. Just flying above our heads. I think we might have to go inside and just get the barbecue done and over with before the seagulls come and just nick our food. Luckily the seagulls have left and we can finish our barbecue in peace. So what we've decided is once we go inside, my mom is going to put some meat outside on top of the shed as she always does, and you'll see how the seagulls come and raid and take all the meat away from top of the shed.